wherever you're watching me from. My name is Tony Areo, aka Mr. Twa, and this is Into Deep Promotions YouTube channel. It has been a while since I last did a live video. I've been so up and down. Yeah, I'm here to wish you all a happy Sunday, wherever you're watching me from. Yeah, there's been a lot happening in the entertainment scene, and as you know, Into Deep Promotions here, we always keep you updated with the latest entertainment news around northern Uganda. Otherwise, I would like to welcome every one of you who is joining the live. Big up on yourself wherever you are watching from. Yeah, sending you hugs and love from Gulu City. Yeah, on this very beautiful, cool, sunny day, I would like to uh, share some good entertainment news with you. Eric Lester, big up on yourself. How are you doing? Where are you watching from? Nice to have you on the live. Yeah, we have a couple of artists that are releasing new songs. We have a song coming from Okengbon Town called Way. The song is just talking about musicians, their lifestyle, the things they go through, how they are being undermined, just a lot. So that one is also going to be coming very soon. Joke Simon, all the way from Barara. Itinini Omera, big up on yourself. Thank you so much for joining the live. Gulu City Kanti Mabe, Jimmy Wengtika what? Kore, Kikore. um, by the way, you guys have supported us to a level where we are almost making it to 100,000 subscribers. Yeah, we're just left with like 2,000 to make it there. So if you're a big fan of Into Deep Promotions, you can always be sharing our videos. The one that you like, you can share videos about actually dance, actually culture that we put on the channel, or any of your favorite interviews. You'll be sharing. Mucho wa OA 100k subscribers. Ka 100k subscribers, no YouTube umina silver award. Eh? That matigi silver award yani ikumalume Uganda pedung. Watigi Simple Gladys, Tiekere, watigi channel mono kiloningo, actually pride, yes, and then dale peduong matikere. So, kau mi na chwa mabe, eh? The remaining 2,000 chana nongo manodong atigi subscribers ali baye mia chill. Silver award, bam, got into the promotions. But all in all, Jamie get a war more. You cannot force things, you cannot get a bad. Cow oh, no oh, but don't poor bow. We came a long way, and you guys have always supported us where we're all. Come on, one or two, yeah. So, kamo ken mati na nakliye ati chwalo mod bori, and iramu tani message ping, iwacha kameti but na bonga in, you know. So, America what you ni Okengbon Town tigi we manyen ma bu war to chak kiloni luwe we ni eni guru kom lo kom lu guru lo kom luwe opole wen kita giberu kede kita gitim jin gi kede kita kichaya gi kede jemi ne tuwa so we ni eni puguri to no kati. And then also on a very sad note, Okengbon Town Kirumucho yo akigoe lawoni and jomu goe anyway po angegi ka chere Facebook wa mi TikTok ma megwa binano video makite tiji kome ki oriat jemene peti maber twal, but he's in a very stable condition. Kwo ne peti mayot twal isiki ken jemene don ta luranyi nga luko. It's not really so easy. So ka intika nana chane mati fan pa okeng bon town ya omerna ni ukero en ilega no en recovery uyor. Yeah, and then Pejoma Mahar Easy, the lyrical Gino, Easy Tigi Way, Moma Mit, Mower Pimege, Pimon, when Kiloni, Gum, Pamon, when it tika Rio, Terra, it's really doing very well. And when and it tika pilu, we megewa, we look megiwa, we mon my, look on your wing. So, ka fupiano win when any, Merenani Chero, YouTube channel pa Easy, the lyrical, it's checking out way ni and Tima Bear Mother, Kiloni, Boom, Pamon, yeah, Easy, Utimo collaborations Kiluwe, Mapol, Madigetika ila Mukeneki West Nile, Mukeneki Achuli Khan, and kama endo o yen endi endo wi pe will pi jomati ping magitia papeni tika ilui luwe mateno ni by giving them collaborations, and yeah, they're also coming up. And then Easy actually bene tika chulu lutino gankwan lutino marong piera dek we are one lutino kit lutino mati disadvantage mano nok me gankwan yeru gi mano na. So and tika supporting again so far lutino piera dek we are one ma Easy tika supporting and kichene ma en no ki show ka go show no chile andi moni kenyo kara side konyo lutino mukene en yele kere. So he's giving back to the community in a very, very good way. And ka in iti wako kenyo kaya nano ka moe ken manu Easy yeah I poster I show mernani ichare supporting en because support my mean and bene duao chen for community. Yeah, so that is about Easy, the lyrical Gino. Yeah, I met a kichwalo mot but dama tika mete ki joining live mamega kamoy ken mighty yeah homaru matek tutwal teni una ye tika ilwa wero watie kama wati yeni. Imagine watiki dama following one your dama subscribing channel mamega why 98,000 what don't just ki alibario money can wekwa donyo 100k chino YouTube miniwa silver award money any pe gioma de tigi oma deep miniwa awa bene ni ya wati matek, but of course teacher ni po wati you can wati you ka chele kidu. So merona no supporting one ka sharing videos wa ko bodan ma poll we numbers chat malo kibene channel any but what chwalo duonu je mano time kumalo me Uganda bot buglo mapapar to dano nge ngo mano tika time gang tutwale jo mano tie Ulaya. Yeah, more again matie and otherwise happy Sunday bot down machwawa matie wa kunu. And then also I think ngech bodlu we kai ngeni inti la we maiti kumalume Uganda kono ti Karamoja kono ti Lira sorry kono ti Karamoja kono ti Lao kono ti West Nile kane Karamoja Lao West Nile Acholi mera ni joining Dulman Makiloni walk ti dul pa creatives pelu we can creatives kono in la gochal kono in la chowe kono in la chobu kono ngo as long as in a team design fashion and design as long as you are a creative na ni joining work because gamente ubu supporting creatives mai kumar me Uganda eleo ber madum tutwali ya chaki mai work mano fuki yaba piani ngech uno no dan pengeo te lo ngo mano we ki yabu kiri work no work uberu gina ngo but ikombe chane madong wi dando pie madando ngeo goals and objectives for work that ka joining work. So office mamegi tie opposite Gulu Independent Hospital. Murphy's kainyo Murphy's Lounge kama ti. So office pa work tigi work ina ro tuon signpost no gukero. Me nani cher chone. Chone me doni work uno chon ti aliba pa more just to register as a member. Ento chawa ni don ichulu chili ali piera de. Kai chulo ali piera de eni ali piario cherry sako. Then Alibaba is your membership. You know ID, and then know you are free to participate in activities. May work monkey can be part of Kachokema Megi, be part of Natmano Tigi Tuero. Ikom kita work to you kere. Ramu ye Tigi Tuero me ye ngata inimero kakarno ramu. More some of the things, and then also gitigi jam sessions mano time chiari ario wen the jam sessions any ki inviting we ki Karamoja ki Lao ki West Nile ki Acholi gibino giwero ki live band so any konyo bene new experience me live band money boluwe wen live band pe yoba gena wen live band all we down all more full so a jam session, you go and practice. Kind of mod, cherry YouTube shorts, mamegwa, channel kan. Oh, we know Lutena Nira, Wakiltina, we magiti were live band, my bed you, boom. Check my YouTube shorts, mamegwa, jacking videos, TV yeni, what you talent, more, te, more, kumalume Uganda kan, and don't know, keep me exposing it there. So, into deep promotions kind watiku keliwu performances mobile tie jam session wakeli channel kan wek no wunbe kinge wunde omano poti chok gam but jomano ti igulu keni giro binu in Murphy's Lounge chenari ario and then they be part of the jam session then ichia bija beach when no kitieki yup makiluoni the cultural night neno cultural night kikelu lumiel chuli gigo sorry ane lumiel chuli kikelu lumiel me culture mapapat me West Nile me Karamoja mano giwero wete kwargi on the cultural night and then be kilun luwe ma wero wete kwaro chala kukugi unyokome West Nile kiluni ngo me Karamoja pangen but of course kilungi every Friday the performing. So Miranani joining, be part of the movement. Jim Mabeju, Paul Adeda, take a bino. Pedare, ipoe ni luwedi tika gumangi, tichako. Why wondo mero cham kenu, pinoponi dano ni kina beti, korongongo. Jenny any peconyo, make it bet, ka jail, and ki word, ka jail. Yeah, I think I try more about Martin Charles Wilobo, Pange Committee, yeah, and try more Bori, big up on yourself. Ojok Simon, Mathieu Mbarara, Mori Bene, Eric Lester, big up on yourself. Afo Matek, Michwawa, into the promotions, kind. Channel wa tikarin, bullet moma, Pemetutu. Kay nano, kamo, oh, yeah, 98,000 subscribers. What don't get again? Donyengo 100,000 subscribers. Kenyo dong YouTube Silver Award komochwa. And ka bino yeah okwero kache it is our win we won together. Yeah. So imetika na video ni chani kai imaro content me music na ni chero YouTube shorts mamegwa then scrolling through nan performance live band kita lutia wachilu kene we wear my bay mada yeah and then also go through videos more kene channel okay no mo yo i ko miente kwa kono ngo gini nani be ka share actually i channel ni wa categorizing jemi wow manong ne yo kai ti mero kete wete kwa just the cherry channel what is scrolling inen kama kichoni playlist di merking we te kwaro actually mona gidwan ta. And then ko emer stories mo kono e glo hamaria gi e kono gi when okay you have playlists there. Video may know you mchunyi iber ka share one umiri o wekte kwa wa ngene bo kujwa kwen. And totally I emphasize on mira chuli wa milte kwa kai no i channel mu mano yung i beta sharing beta kwangne ba ko down poll. Otherwise ari total mapa beru live tin awacha bin mera motu abonga won afuwu pi supporting and pi supporting channel any jeni ma poll ma bedu tie kabino ya kai nano numbers tika cher malo kerwa beno tika cher malo wachako no equipment ma bedu metich. And then quality me jemi wa ma cher wa kuno no bene loke so lok eni ma mero wacho ne tieni uchung kedwa ka achiel joma romo supporting wa matigi kero be romo supporting one we wano ile wachere ni manyin obed deal northern Uganda to the rest of the world, northern Uganda to the top. Otherwise anafu when analegoni Sunday mamegu bedo mabe an abitiru bedo kamili update tere kum jim manoti time kum harbe Uganda ka eni. For my tech, big up on yourself wherever you're watching from. Sending you love from Gulu City.